Hey guys, this is my most absolute favorite time of the year. Love the holidays. I decided this year that I was going to do something I've never done on YouTube, and that is a collab. So I decided to go with Cathryn from Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I absolutely love her channel, love her spirit, so it was a yes for me. What you're going to be seeing today on this video is one of my tablescapes. I decided to go with the exact same color and theme that I had last year. In this video, you won't see the tablescape in its entirety, but you will get a good foundation of where I'm going with the theme and the colors. In another video with this exact same collab on another date, I'll have more for you to see with the table and other elements in my room that I'm actually decorating at this time. I have quite a few DIYs on the table, and I have separate videos for those DIYs if you want to check those out. So guys, without further ado, I'm going to jump right into this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have questions, leave them for me in the comment section, and make sure, guys, you go and check out all the other ladies that are participating in this collab. Be blessed. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.